Come test drive this 2004 Buick LeSabre. This four-door, six-passenger sedan provides exceptional value. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Top features include air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, and much more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.